Transformed sinusoidal functions. State transformation in the order you would apply to sketch y equals to minus 3 sine of 2 times x minus 60 degrees plus 1. Now the order basically means that you should do multiplication and division first and addition subtraction later. So in this case, multiplication divisions are like stretches and compressions, and translations are additions and subtraction. So what we will do is we'll go from inside out. So our policy is to move from inside out. So that is first thing, inside out. And second thing which we are going to do is we are going to do stretches or compressions or reflections. That's also multiplication, right? And then we'll do translations. So that is how we are going to proceed. Now inside out, what I'm trying to say is this is our function. Within the brackets you see this number. This is number 1 for me now. Horizontal stretch by a factor of 2. So that is the first transformation which I am going to write. So first transformation is because of this 2, and that is horizontally compressed by a factor of, when it is 2, 1 over 2, half, right, since it is compressed. Now that is a multiplication. You are going to multiply the x coordinates with half. Then the next multiplication is minus 3. So we can actually combine minus 3, right? So, or we could write it in 2 steps. Let me do it in 2 steps. So stretch vertical by factor of 3, right? And then we will do reflection. So this part. Reflect on x-axis. So that is vertical in nature, right? And then the next step which we are going to do is translation. So we'll do translation of vertical first and then the horizontal, right? So we say translate one unit up, and then we will do horizontal, which is 60 to the right. Okay, so we'll do 60 units right. So let me use some other English. And then the last one is translate. This is also called phase shift, right? (60 degrees) in this case, units right. So these are the steps which will result into the correct transformed function. Well, as you can see from here, we could interchange few of them. That is, these could be combined, right? Either one we could do first. So we could go even with vertical stretch, reflection, and then horizontal, right? And we could even change them. But it's a good idea to follow these steps. So my recommendation is follow these steps. So that is how we should be answering this question.